big, the name was much mighty and much merciful. So in this video we are going to know the next concept, that is going to be what? That is going to do if else. I am going to make 2.html like this, control B will be here, and I am going to put the doc type. The document name I am going to put that is if else. I will come here like put an script here, and I am going to call the paragraph. With the ID is going to be what? The ID is going to be A. Come here the script. I am going to call the const and targeting the A. A is equal to document dot get element by the ID. The ID is going to be A. At the end there will be a semicolon. And now if the A. So I am going to write here if A, like there is A. If the A, I am going to make one more thing, that is going to be input, and there will be a type 2 of it. The type is going to be like button, not be button, that will be like text, and there will be an ID is equal to 2. The ID is going to do, that will be so like this. And if A dot value is equal to what? Hello. What? The value is hello. So what you have to know, document, what I am going to do, I am going to change the ID, that is A to B like this, and document dot get element by the ID, what will be the ID is going to be B. If so, print, what print dot inner HTML will be what? Hello. That is going to show hello. Save it. I am going to go live. I am go live. You can see I am go live, and that's my web view. So I have to see that it's working or not. Come back, save it, come here, refresh it. The value is hello. But if the value is equal to hello, refresh it. If I write here hello, wait, we have to make like this is if, so I can write here one more like if. I am going to show you the next one. That's not working, we are going to know the next. The next thing I am going to tell you, that is going to be like, I am going to wait. The next is most important. Like there will be a const. I am going to know like B, and there will be an A2. So const. The age is 12. Okay? And then I am going to call the one more like there will be the if with the condition. The condition will be age. With the starting arrow, if the age is bigger than 10. So curly bracket, show this document dot get element by the ID. By the ID is going to be what? A. And then A dot inner HTML is going to be what? Is equal to nice. Save it. Wait, I am going to close it. Save it. The value is bigger. Wait, I am going to do it. The ending arrow. Save it. Now it's going to show me 19. If I do it like 2, so that's not showing me. Save it. Come here. So that's not showing me. So that's the if one. So I am going to make a else condition. So the else condition is going to show me document dot get element by the ID. What will be the ID is going to be B, add dot inner HTML is equal to, that will be not. Save it. The value is 2, so that's showing me not. And if I come back at my screen and going to do my age 29, so that will be nice. So that was the if concept. So that's called the if concept. So we can do many things with it, like showing something, like we are going to make one more thing, that is prompt and alert. I will add in here P and A. So that's important too. Like I am going to like alert. Alert is a message. And is one more confirm. Alert is going to what? Nice. If the so it's going to show me a message. My localhost says that nice. Now if the value is smaller than it, like 29, so that's in showing us what. Wait, I am going to come back in my VS Code. I am in my VS Code. Like this, I am going to full screen it, and what I am going to do, I am going to save it. Come here, that's showing me nice. So if I write nice to confirm, but confirm, so that will be same. But if I write what, I have to make let name is equal to prompt. Done, save it. That's a prompt. So what is the prompt? Hello. If I write here hello like this, I have to see that. Save it. Come here. Hello. Now I'm going to say Subhan. So there, that will be in console. Prompt document. Like I am going to what I am going to do. I am going to simply put it at here, and then the HTML will be name. Save it. Now come here. What will be like Subhan? With that refreshing the page, that's gone. So that was the confirm, alert, and prompt. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with many content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.